Now, there's no denying that drone footage just really lifts any video to a whole new level. It just gives you a different perspective on an area, a holiday, whatever you're doing. It just shows something different that you walking around cannot possibly show. I've been a great fan of DJI for a number of years because by far they are the best drone maker on the planet. Others have tried, like the GoPro Karma for instance, and sadly failed. But one thing that happens time after time is DJI produce incredible drones that enable you to get this type of footage. Now this footage that you're watching now, this was taken on what is really their budget model. This is the DJI Spark, which I think is just the most incredible value for any drone. Now, one thing to bear in mind now folks, is that if you want to pick up one of these, they're at their best price ever, because the holiday season is upon us, and I'm going to be sharing with you some special discounts that DJI are offering. Now, it's not just their drones which are on offer this holiday season. The Osmo Mobile 2 comes at up to 20% off if you're in Europe, 16% off in the UK, and 14% off in the United States. Now let's have a look at some of the drones and the Mavic Air Fly More combo deal. This is where you get the extra batteries and the extra blades. That's a great saving at 11% in the UK and 10% in Europe and the United States. And if you just want the Mavic Air on its own, then you get a 13% discount in the UK and the United States and a 12% discount in Europe. Right, now let's have a look at my favourite, which is the DJI Spark. That's what all of this footage has been shot with. The Fly More combo deal comes up to 17% off in Europe, 16% off in the UK and the United States, which again is just a great saving folks. And if you want the Spark controller combo, so you get the controller and the Spark itself, you get up to 12% off in Europe and 11% off in the UK. So guys, I've listed at my website all of the information about the prices and the dates that they are available, because there are different dates in different locations depending on where you are in the world. But head over to my website, the link is in the description and all of that information will be there. But guys, you can grab yourself up to 16% off, and that is an absolute bargain. Thanks for watching this video. As always, I'll leave you with a few more shots of this, but thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the red button and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.